हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन म्यूचुअल फंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में, लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट म्यूचुअल फंड है हमारा फ्रैंकलिन इंडिया इनकम अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फंड ग्रोथ। इस फंड को आपको बाय करना है। फ्रैंकलिन इंडिया इनकम अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फंड ग्रोथ, NAV net asset value 24.7459 rupees. फंड की हाइलाइट्स। The current net asset value of the Franklin India Income Opportunity Fund as of 22 October 2021 is rupees 24.7459 for growth option of its regular plan. Its trailing returns over different time periods are 19.56% first year, 5.12% 3 years, 6.16% 5 years, and 7.92% since launch. Various category returns for the same time duration are 5.93% first year, 5.64% 3 years, and 6.0% 5 years. The Franklin India Income Opportunities Fund country currently holds asset under management worth of rupees 225.29 crore as on September 30, 2021. The expense ratio of the fund is 0.06% for regular plan as on March 31st, 2021. Franklin India Income Opportunities Fund shall attract an exit load for units. Excess of 10% of the investment, 3% will be Franklin India Income Opportunity Fund shall attract an exit load for units in excess of 10% for the investment, 3% will be charged for redemption within 12 months, 2% will be charged for redemption after 12 months but within 18 months, and 1% will be charged change for redemption after 18 months but within 24 months. Minimum investment required is rupees 5,000 and minimum additional investment is rupees 1,000. Minimum SIP investment is rupees 500. Things you should consider: riskometer, annual return for the last 3 years 5.17%. Suggest investment horizon 3 years. Fund NAV range: 1 month low high 24.601, 24.746. 52-week low high 20.775, 24.746. Asset allocation, investment growth. Asset allocation: equity 0.00, debt 84.39, others 15.61. Investment growth, SIP, enter investment amount 1,000. Franklin India Income, equity, debt and others. Top 5 year comparison. Franklin India Income Opportunities Fund growth, first year 19.44%, 3 years return 5.17%. Top 5 year. About fund: Franklin India Income Opportunities Fund is open-ended medium duration debt scheme which belongs to Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on December 11, 2009. Investment objective and benchmark: asset allocation and portfolio composition. Tax implications. Okay. So guys, ये फंड आपको बाय करना है। फ्रैंकलिन इंडिया इनकम अपॉर्चुनिटीज फंड ग्रोथ, NAV नेट एसेट वैल्यू 24.7459. ओके, सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।